The time to reveal the secrets of ancient Egypt has finally come. Many mysteries of the pharaohs will be revealed.
I'm giving the largest lecture tour ever happened in history. I'm giving 23 lectures in 23 cities.
Will reveal many important discoveries not announced before. The secrets of the Great Pyramid and the Sphinx. The search for Imhotep, the first architect on earth who built a pyramid of stone, Tutankhamun. I will announce to all of you how he died. My excavation in the Valley of the Kings. I'm hoping to discover the tomb of Queen Nefertiti. I'm looking for her mummy right now. And I found out how Ramses III was murdered. But the most important discovery is the Golden City. It is considered to be the most important discovery that happened after the discovery of the tomb of Tutankhamun. Many things in the Golden City that I did not reveal, but I will reveal in my lecture tour. This is the time, the final time, that I will reveal the mystery of ancient Egypt. Zahi Hawass.
The many secrets of ancient Egypt have been hidden for centuries. And now, Dr. Zahi Hawass is ready to reveal them all. Register now and discover the stories of ancient Egypt. Don't miss out on this unforgettable evening